Okay, it's recording. Okay, cool. So basically, your problem was you were wanting to change your Google Voice because you have your cell phone attached to the Google Voice account, right?
Yes, and as I went back over some of the notes, I think the problem, Daniel, is I set up each account separately. I should have set them up before I attach my phone number to them. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does, but that actually, you actually did it the right way, though.
Okay, because that's what happens when I went back into the second number, I couldn't attach my phone number to it, to the second account rather. So I only have it attached to the first one. Somebody said you need to delete that in order to make this work. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, because I said that.
Okay. As I said, try to remember as much as I possibly can. I didn't even know who did it, but I do recall somebody said delete that account.
Okay, cool. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to need for you to log into your first Google Voice, okay? And then what I'm going to do, Nat, is I'm going to switch control of this to your screen so I can see what's on your screen.
All right, I've logged in.
Okay, you logged in?
Yes.
All right, give me 1 second. Okay. Do you see a button at the bottom of this that says, it's a green button in the center of the screen that says share screen?
I do.
Okay. Go ahead and click that.
All right. Done.
And then go ahead and click, what options do you see on there?
There's a bottom right-hand corner says share screen. And then I see you highlighted with desktop, whiteboard, Google Voice settings, calendar, Outlook, things like that.
Okay.
The two at the bottom look like mine.
Yeah. Go ahead and click on Google Voice settings.
Done.
Okay. And double click on it.
Done.
All right, sweet. Okay. So now I can see your screen.
All righty.
Okay. So let's see. Give me 1 second and let me look at this for a moment. So the 2950 number, that's your cell phone, right?
Correct.
Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit that X button that's right next to it.
And we're just going to delete it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done.
And then delete it. Okay. And then you are going to go to the do not disturb that's right below it. You see that?
Right here?
Yes, sir. And then go ahead and, turn that to the right.
Okay.
Okay. And what that's going to do, Nat, is set it up on do not disturb. So when somebody calls you on that phone number, it's going to send it straight to voicemail and it's not going to ring.
Is that my current voicemail the way I have it set up?
I'm not sure yet. We'll have to look at the rest of your settings.
All right.
So give me 1 second. Okay. Now go ahead and scroll down on there a little bit. Okay. And keep scrolling. Okay. Keep scrolling down. Okay. Keep scrolling. All right. And keep going. Okay. So you should actually be good. So what I'm going to do, hold on tight, Nat. I'm going to call your number.
All right.
And we're going to see what it sounds like, okay?
Okay.
Let's see if this solved the problem.
Thank you for calling Big Nat Booth. You and your message are important to me. Please feel free to leave a message as all calls will be returned. Thank you.
Yeah, Nat, just wanted to say that you are awesome. You are the man.
Thank you so much, Daniel.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
All right.
Hey, what did you say in the voicemail greeting, though? Can you? Go to the go to voicemail on the side.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Click that. Okay. Okay. Go to the very left hand side, and there's that little voicemail symbol. Yeah. Keep on going left. Yeah. Right there. Click that. Okay. Let's see. Go to that little. Yeah. There goes my voicemail that I just left.
Yes.
All right. Go below that voicemail symbol again and go to the little three dots right there. Yeah, click that.
Done.
Okay. Go to settings. I want to listen to your voicemail greeting. That's what I'm trying to do. God dang it, where do we do it at? Click on the voicemail. Yeah, right there.
Let me double click it.
Yeah, go ahead and double click it, see what that does. So the problem is they keep on changing this thing around, Nat.
All right.
All right, go to the three dots again on the left. Click that. Settings, voice. Well, dang, where do you see it at? Click on calls. Let me see what that pops up. Okay, go back to the three dots. Go to go to Legacy Google Voice. Yeah, go to Legacy Google Voice and click that. All right, there we go. And give me 1 second. Okay, go to the, and you guys that are watching this in the boot camp, set your Google Legacy Voice screen. Set your screen to go to the Google Legacy Voice because it makes it easier for you to navigate your account. So on the right-hand side of the screen, Nat, towards the top, there's going to be like a little gear symbol. Move your mouse and keep moving it to the right. Keep moving it. Go up. All right, down.
I think this may be in the way.
To the right.
There.
Oh, you got to move out of the way? Okay. Hey, see, Nat, now you know what I go through when I'm doing the webinars, right? Because like I'm talking to you guys, I'm trying to see all that you're doing, and that little box is blocking it.
All right, I got the settings gear.
All right, go ahead and click settings. Okay, go to voicemail and text at the very top. Yeah, right there. All right, go to play. Is it playing?
I don't hear anything.
Yeah, I don't hear anything either. Click it again. Oh, that's silly. Okay.
What about this one?
No, that's
Has to be here.
yeah, it got to be that one.
Okay.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, cool. And yeah, and basically, Nat, that's just what you do for all your Google Voice accounts. So you set it up with your phone number, with your cell phone number, and then you just got to remember to remove it.
All right, so if I log into my second account, I have that set up. Should I do that now?
Yep.
All right, hold on.
Okay.
Hopefully it'll let me do it. All right, Google Voice. All right, so how do I find my second account?
Okay. Are you in the second account?
It went back to the same screen as soon as I clicked on Google Voice. I go to Google Voice, correct?
Yeah, you do. So go ahead, Nat, since I'm going to share this, let me have you stop sharing the screen so that you can log into your other account. So,
Stop share.
Yeah, stop share.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. So you're good. So go ahead and log into your second Google Voice and then share the screen once you log on board.
See, this has been the problem. Whenever I try to go back in and log into my second Google Voice account, I can't even find a way to log into it. Let's try this.
Oh, well, you go to google.com/voice.
Right. Okay, that's where I am now. And it takes me back to this page that we just left off that says call, text, inbox. How do I get out of that?
There should be a log out button on there. So share your screen with me again.
Can you see it?
Yes.
It took me right back to this page. The only thing I see up here, I don't see a way to log out.
Yeah. Go, Nat, go to the top right-hand corner where there's that circle that says N. There's a blue circle that says N at the top right portion of your screen.
Yes.
Right. Now go to, you can either sign out or add accounts.
All right.
So go ahead and click add accounts. Okay. Now go ahead and stop sharing your screen. Okay. And then log into your second Google Voice account.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
And I really applaud y'all for having these skills, man. As my nephew says, Uncle Natty, you do the best you can, but it is a challenge.
It can be. It can be.
And one thing I remind myself, man, the amount of patience that I have to have through this, and eventually I will figure it out.
You will. You will. And then, we'll help you with most of the things. And the good thing is this is probably the most technology that you have to really deal with.
Okay.
So it's nothing that's too hard.
What's going on here? Let's try this again. Interesting. Why isn't it letting me log in? Hold on just a moment. Oh, okay. Let's try this. This always cap sensitive.
Yeah. The passwords are cap sensitive.
So how's the weather in Vegas, man?
Oh man, it's great. Let me show you what it looks like now.
Okay. That's funny. Now it says it can't find an account for that. I know I set this
sunny
up.
outside, and there's beautiful mountains in the background.
Okay. Daniel, it says it can't find my second account.
Are you logging on with the right password?
I'm trying. I even put in. It says it can't find the account when I put in the email with the phone number. I changed my second account to natfbooth@gmail.com. It says it can't find it. That's interesting.
Are you sure that's the right?
As far as I can tell, I wrote it down as I set the account up. I wrote everything down. That's why I printed this out, and I have it right in front of me. I wrote it down as Nat F. Booth, and it says it can't find the account at gmail.com.
Okay. Go ahead and share your screen.
Okay.
Okay. So your email address was natfbooth@gmail.com?
Right. That's the second address that I set up.
Okay. And click next. Are you sure that's it? Because
I wrote it down, Daniel. That's what the challenge is. I wrote this down just to be sure, and I'm pretty sure that's what I put it under.
okay. I mean, maybe did you do it under just Nat Booth?
I can try it, but I thought Nat Booth was taken. Give me a second.
Okay. Because basically what this is saying, Nat, is that is not even in existence.
Well, that's interesting. Let's try this.
Yeah. Let's see if your password works on that.
All right.
Okay, that must be somebody else's Gmail account then.
Yeah.
So what I would do then, that the NatF booth is not registered with Google. So you may have accidentally put something else besides NatF booth.
Okay.
So let's create another account
All right.
and then do the same process that you did. And then I had this video recorded, Nat. So you can just like follow the same steps that you just did, and you can watch the video.
All right.
And then that'll tell you what to do. But yeah, as you see, it wasn't anything too crazy. You just the only thing that you were missing was to delete that phone number, delete your cell phone number, and that was it.
All right. So even though I deleted the cell phone number, I used the Google number. That's for my buyers. Then I set one up for my sellers the same way.
That's correct.
Is that correct? All right,
That's
I should
correct.
be able to get that done. If not, I'll reach out to you. I got to get into bed, man. I've been getting up early. I got out today and did drive for dollars, found 20-something properties. I'll come back in tomorrow and go to the tax assessor's website and try to set the foundation. I'm still working on that budget, though.
Okay, great. And yeah, what we'll do, matter of fact, let me stop this recording.